It's not that I don't want you here.
What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be on this wig. I'm just going to be installing this wig that I got from Amazon probably a month ago. I saw it on TikTok and I just had to get it. I'll leave the link down below. It is a 10-inch bob. This is supposed to be human hair, I believe. It was for $89. Couldn't pass it up. And then I went to my sister and I went and got it cut. I ended up washing the wig and then I just curled it again today for an event I just went to. I just want you guys to see the process. Let's just get right into the video. So here I am starting out with my hair freshly washed. I'm gonna make sure my edges are back. I'm gonna use this edge booster. So the Got To Be Glued spray to just make sure it is holding my edges down. I don't know why I'm making this face. It's crazy. So here I am putting my cap on and I'm gonna just cut holes on the sides for my ears. Now I'm gonna spray my Got To Be Free spray on my hairline. Here I'm just cutting off the excess cap. Here I'm using my wig glue to make sure everything is down and holding. So I'm going to do that and then blow dry. Now I'm using my foundation and I'm just going to put it along my hairline and I'm going to put it back a little bit further to make it look realistic when I go to part my hair. And then I'm going to put another layer of the hair glue after that, and I'm gonna let it dry until it gets tacky. Here I'm just putting more foundation on the lace. Now that the wig is on, I'm gonna just blow dry it to make sure it stays in place. I'm gonna use my small flat iron to curl my baby hair so it can lay a little bit neater. I find it a lot better when I do this first. All right, let me just, I love it. Like, this came out perfect. It's pretty late. So this is the finished look. I am so happy with how this looks. It looks so great. I am super excited to be back on YouTube. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video today. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also go ahead and hit that subscribe button and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.
I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked